all, this is me Sowndharayaa KS. In this video, I will be telling you on the functions. What is the use of a function and why function is so important in your code. So I will be doing it on JavaScript code in p5.js. The link of for p5.js in the description box below. And I have even shared the code in the description box below. So let's start. What is a function? Function is nothing but and a piece of a code. If you want a code, if you don't want to write so many code in the draw function, you can use function to minimize the length of the draw function of a single function. So I'll just explain it while you will be getting it. So if, for example, I will take something called var test just for for checking. I will write it as anything, maybe I like to I like to what should I say, I like to play football. So this is a simple sentence. I like to play football, which is stored in the var text. So I write in another thing, which is console.log. Yes, I have another thing for console thing. You can also watch that if you want to learn more about console.log. So here I have wrote war test. I like to play football console. This is very simple code. I have wrote it and this is displayed in console, which is great. Yeah, this is a simple code. So now, but we need it in maybe I say that I need that console to be displayed only when I press the space key. If I press the space key, I need to get this one. But you can always do the if command things, but functions you can use a function. Well, if you think like this, if you have some like maybe you have code of 30 to 40 lines of code, you have that much big code to do it. When you have press the space button, you need to have the function. Only then your the if command will be flooded, or else it won't be easy to read. So for that, you can use the function. So for me telling you guys about the function, I'm going to use the function right now. I can even use the if command, but function is more preferred. So now if I'll just put function check, I'll put an thing which is nothing but the syntax. Syntaxes needs to be followed. And the curly brackets is it's indicating where the function exactly is ending. So now I have done the functions there. Check. But you can see that it is not appearing in the console, because we need to tell that you have just created it. You need to like call it. You need to like something where you are going to tell the you're going to call the function. Only then the function will be executed. Think like this is in third person. This is in third person. So if you want to call someone, if you want to, ask someone, if you want to talk to them, you first need to call them. So how will you call them? You will call them by telling their name, right? So for now, our check is in third person. So how do we call them? We'll call them like check, come. So something like that, right? So you tell that check. So for that, I'll just tell check, check, and I will whatever. This is my function name, so I'm using that function. So can you see this has been executed? This has been executed. So, but I need the check needs to be executed only when I put space key. That is very simple, right? If key is down and then ASCII value 32 for space, ASCII value 32 for space. And then what should happen when I press the key? When I press the space key, I press the space key, the check needs to be done. Yeah, I have pressed the space key once and it comes like this. I press it twice, second time, third, fourth. So this is how it goes on. So this is all about this video. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.